Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So what I'm gonna do is a bit of tech talk tech video. You guys are requesting, so I'm gonna show you guys how I edit on an iPhone. The phone I have in my hand right now, this is an iPhone 7 Plus. So I want to show you guys how to do a quick edit on your iPhone if you don't have a camera. Okay, so let me put my phone. So let me screen record so you guys can see what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm going to go into Imovie. So to get the Imovie on the iPhone, you have to go in the Apple Store and download Imovie. It's totally free. So I'm going to open my project. You're going to see create project, okay? Then you click the plus sign. You're going to either see movie or trailer. So up there, guys, what we're going to do, we're going to click movie, okay? So I'm going to select a video what we want to use. So I'm going to go into videos. Then I'm going to go click this one. So you see two different icons. You see a play button and you see an add movie. The circle one with the tick sign, I'm going to click that one. So I'm going to add that one, and I'm going to also add this one. Then at the bottom of the video, you guys are going to see create movie. 2 items less than 1 minute. So you're going to click that, it's going to be in the video. So as you guys see, this is actually my chin, which is my sister. We went to the river recently and the road. Okay, so let's watch the video and we'll cut it from there. And that's it. And that's the road. So what I'm gonna do first, we're gonna learn how to cut a video in iMovie. So you tap on the video. So at the bottom now, we have to see split, detach, duplicate, delete. At the bottom, you will be seen a scissors, a timer, a volume button, a title, and also effects. So let's play this. So when I go in the water now, after they make their jump, I want to split it right there. So by splitting the video now, you tap on it and you select split. After you select the split icon, you know, click delete because you don't want that, okay? So far, let's say it. Remember guys, at first, after they jump in the water, the camera was directly on me. So I don't have to be in that video. So, alright. And let's work on the road now. First of all, there's some music in the background. You know YouTube guys. We get copyrights, so I'm going to mute the video. So I'm going to select the volume icon and you click the volume icon again. That shows no music. Let me play that out. I don't want it to focus in the car, so I'm just going to make it stay outside video in the road. So we're going to do what we did before. Click on the scissors, click split, click delete. So far we'll have and the road with a very silent background. So what I want to do now, I want to add some words first. I want to add T, click on the T, so you're going to see different type of word text. So I want to stick to lines underscore tag, that will be in the middle. So at the top now, I'm going to put, this little, put one at the corner. Standard. Yes, at the side, I'm going to put like, text like, comma, share, and subscribe. So when the video plays like this, but if you don't want the entire text to be so long on the screen, all you have to do again is to tap on the video and select the scissors icon again and split it, and then that will show you where the text will actually stop. So let's look on it now. Guys, see? You see the like, share, and subscribe, and then in the next clip, it's the same clip which I split in two. There are no text. So let's That's right. Alright, so what does this say? I don't like that effect. I want to change the effect now. So let's change the effect on the second clip whenever we're jumping in the water, okay? So you tap on the video. At the right hand side, you're going to see the effects. So you're going to see 3 circular icons. You click on that. So you're going to see black and white, blaze, black booster, blue, and all different type of effects. So let's do a black and white effect. Black and white. So I'll just select it and let's see. Okay, but what if you don't? What if you want to change it back to your original? You just go back to the same video, click none, so it's going to be removed, right? Alright, so we're finished with that part. So what we're going to do next, we're going to focus on the road now. To me, let's watch it. It's a bit too fast, so I'm going to slow it down. To slow down our video, you're going to click on the video again. You're going to click on the timer this time. So as you guys can see, a turtle and a rabbit. But you want the video really slow, so when you go back to the turtle, and when you're going back now, the video is going to be stretched out to move very slow. Okay? So let's see. That is too slow, huh? Yeah. But I want it fast, so you just carry it up somewhere. Yeah. Alright. But what if you have an intro on your phone already, but you want to know how to add an intro within the Imovie project? So I'm going to select this plus sign and try and find the video. Let me try and find it. This is my intro. Find my intro in my videos, do the plus icon. So this is the intro. My intro was made by my sister, so if you guys are interested in making a video intro, you can let my sister make them for you by a price. Her channel name and her Instagram will be in the description box. Definitely check her out. She made this intro for me, so let's watch it. Guys, you saw this transition. It was just going on, but we're going to do a slide effect. Okay, to do a slide effect now, you're going to click on that one bar, and let me see here, so you guys can have theme or fade. Let me show you the difference. That's why I'm just fading the black effect, because I cut the video is a bit too short, but I can show you in a different clip how to do different transitions. So let's look at this one. Don't like that one. So let's do theme. Alright, so we can work with the theme right now. Alright, so let me see here. I'm going to add a next clip to show you a next example for a transition. Let me find the next video for us to use. Go into the videos, tap on all, and let's look on. Let me find a video. Guys, I have a lot of videos on my phone, okay? A lot. Alright, let's do this one. This one is when I was jumping in the water. So, like, I don't want this full length. I'm going to cut it right here. So, I want this part when I was gearing up to jump in the water. So, all of this before, I don't want it. So I'm going to do what I did before. We're going to tap on the video, click the split, and delete this. Guys, if you're liking this video thus far, let me know. I'm going to give my video a thumbs up. Alright, let's watch it. Guys, as I mentioned, I don't like or just fade in. So I want to show you different type of transition. So at the bottom now, seeing that I click that middle icon, you see none, theme, dissolve, slide, wipe, and fade. So let's show you how to change the different type of transition, okay? So let's do a slide. Woo! Yeah! But if you don't want the left, or if you want a different, if you want a up or down, so you just tap on it again. So seeing that there's 4 slide options. So you tap on it, so this one can go this side, and or tap it again. You can slide upwards, and tap it again. You can slide downwards. So it's based on your preference. So for me, I always like to slide across. So let's click on this one. Alright, I don't want anything else. I'm going to just cut right here. I'm going to split it actually. Cut, split. And then I'm going to delete it. So let's watch it now. Guys, subscribe, hit the bell. And that's it. Alright, but what if you guys stated that you have a green screen? What if you have a green screen, right? So guys, so now to add a green screen, well, it's actually my favorite. So I'm going to double tap on the screen and you see 3 different icons: the plus sign, the play sign, and 3 dots, meaning options. So when you select the 3 dots, you're going to see cutaway, picture in picture, split screen, green/blue screen, or audio only. See that this is a green screen, guys. We're going to click on blue/green screen. So it'll be on the top, right? Because it's a green screen, you don't want to see like a subscribe button. So let's play it. Alright, so there's your subscribe button to how to have a subscribe button. But what if that bell button was audio was too loud? Then you do it, tap on the icon, lower it down the volume to 30%. Alright, so that's all you add a green screen. Alright, let's delete the. What if you want to duplicate it? Split it, detach, or delete. So we're going to duplicate the green screen. So I'm going to click on duplicate. So now I have 2 green screens. So you see 2 subscribe buttons. But I'll change my mind, so I only want 1. I'm going to delete the first one. But what if you guys doing a video into a video? You guys don't know what I'm talking about, right? That's fine, I got you. So when I go to videos again, I want to add, let me see a video. Let's add this one with me, Cleo, and Cleo's sister. I'm going to cut the video by scrolling like this. I'm going to click on the 3 dots again. So I'm going to put picture in picture. So you guys see me right there, and you see Crystal and me. This is a video we did, a vlog we did last night, but stay tuned for that vlog, it's coming soon. So let's play. So it's a video now at the top, but if I don't want it right there, you're going to tap on that video. At the right hand side you'll be seeing our button. We're going to click on that so we can drag and position the video right there at the corner. So let's guys, alright, let's see a look now. Subscribe. Okay. Alright, so that's one. Alright, so let's say we're actually finished with the video now, right? This is like 19 seconds. So when you're finished with your video, you're going to click done, right? And then you click on save video. When you're saving the video now, you should choose an export size. For YouTube, the best size to export a video is 1080p. So I'm going to select 1080p because 1080p is the best quality to use, guys. So once you're exporting a video, which export size should you use? Let me know. 1080p or higher. But I always export in 1080p, that's the best. So I'm going to click HD 1080p. That's the export video. Let's wait. Guys, if you like this video so far, let me know. Yes, the movie was exported to your photo library. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go into my gallery. Let's see if I see the video. Yes, the video is right here. Let's watch it. Ooh, big up tip for my intro. Subscribe. And the video into video. So it's just a short video, you guys, of how I edit on my iPhone. So remember, guys, if you have any tech questions, iPhone, iMovie question, let me know. And if you guys want to see how I edit using Premiere Pro, let me know as well. So this was just a short video of how to edit on your iPhone. So if you don't have a camera and you have an iPhone, you can vlog, you can upload videos, guys. Just use your iPhone, because iPhone has all the best qualities, okay? So if you like this video thus far, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and tell me any other questions or what you want to show in my next video in regards to editing. Comment them below. Check out all my socials, and I'll see you guys in my next video. It was short, simple, because I don't want it to be long. So bye. Hope you guys enjoy my quick tech video to edit on your iPhone. Bye. Mwah.